Hey YouTube fam, ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Today we are settling the biggest debate. Cosori versus Ninja Air Fryer. Which crispy champion deserves your counter space? Stick around. We're diving deep into features, taste tests, and why these gadgets are total game changers. Hit that like button if you're team crispy. Let's go. Tired of choosing between healthy eating and deliciously crispy food? Say goodbye to greasy pans and hello to the future of cooking. The battle of the Cosori versus Ninja Air Fryer is heating up, and your kitchen deserves the winner. These countertop powerhouses aren't just gadgets. They are essential tools for busy families, health conscious individuals, and anyone craving restaurant quality results at home. Let's dive deep and see which air fryer reigns supreme, why you need an air fryer in your life, and why Kosori and Ninja lead the pack. Health revolution, ditch the deep fryer. Both Kosori and Ninja use superheated air. Kosori's dual blaze TM, Ninja's air crisp or TM, to deliver that irresistible crunch with up to 75-90% less fat than traditional frying. Enjoy guilt-free fries, chicken wings, and more. Time savior. Forget preheating ovens or constantly shaking pans. Kosori boasts no preheating and no shaking needed, cooking meals 40% faster. Ninja gets frozen foods crispy in minutes. Reclaim precious time. Effortless convenience. Imagine cooking a whole chicken, Kosori's 6.8 QT capacity, or large batches of sides, Ninja's 5 cute basket, with minimal effort. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, Kosori, or non-stick surfaces, Ninja. More family time, less scrubbing. Versatility unleashed. These aren't one-trick ponies. Kosori offers 12 functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, etc. While Ninja provides 5-in-1 functionality: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate. Replace multiple appliances. You will find the link to the product in the description. Grab it while it's hot. Please subscribe to the channel for more epic kitchen battles and exclusive deals. Why choose Kosori, the crispy convenience king? Unmatched crispiness. The dual blaze TM technology is a game changer. Two heating elements ensure food gets crispy all over every single time without you lifting a finger. No shaking. Speed demon, 40% faster. Cooking by eliminating preheating and shaking means dinner is on the table now. Perfect for hectic weeknights. Smart kitchen, hero. Control your fryer remotely, get inspired by 100 plus in-app recipes, and use voice commands via Alexa with the VSync app. It's cooking for the modern age. Family feeding capacity. The generous 6.8 QT square basket handles everything from a whole roasted chicken to large batches of fries or veggies, effortlessly feeding your crew. Effortless cleanup. Toss the basket and tray right into the dishwasher. Done. Why choose Ninja, the reliable and compact performer? Proven performance. Air Crisp Technology TM consistently delivers deliciously crispy results with minimal oil, backed by Ninja's strong reputation. Space-saving design. Ninja's latest design maximizes capacity, 5 QT, while minimizing countertop footprint. Ideal for smaller kitchens. Frozen food champion excels at turning frozen foods, fries, nuggets, etc. into perfectly crispy snacks in just minutes. Simple and solid, straightforward controls, a helpful recipe book, and durable non-stick surfaces make it incredibly user-friendly and reliable. Great value. Offers core air frying excellence and versatility. 5 functions at a very competitive price point. What about the Philips Dual Basket? While the Philips 3000 Series 9L Dual Basket Rapid Air Plus Sync Cook is interesting for cooking 2 foods at once with synchronized finishing, it lacks the integrated smart features, app control of Kosori, and the refined simplicity and compact design of the Ninja Pro. Its larger size might be overkill for many, and it doesn't quite match the effortless 360-degree crispiness of Kosori's dual blaze or the space-efficient power of the Ninja. For most users seeking a primary air fryer, Kosori or Ninja offer a more focused and feature-rich experience. You will find the link to the product in the description. Don't miss out. Please subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and cooking hacks. The verdict: Kosori versus Ninja Air Fryer. Which one wins for you? Choose Kosori if you demand the absolute crispiest results with zero effort, no preheat, no shake. Want maximum versatility, 12 functions. Need a larger capacity, 6.8 QT for families. Love smart app control, VSync, Alexa, 100 plus recipes. And prioritize dishwasher safe cleanup. It's the premium choice for convenience and performance. Kosori is better than most on Amazon due to its unique dual heating technology and smart integration. Choose Ninja if you want a reliable, compact, and easy-to-use air fryer from a trusted brand. Primarily need the core functions: 5-in-1, done exceptionally well, cook a lot of frozen foods, have limited counter space, and value simple non-stick cleanup. It's the fantastic all-rounder for everyday air frying. Ninja stands out on Amazon for its consistent performance and space-saving design. Transform your cooking today. Don't wait. Alright, YouTube crew, that's the Cosori versus Ninja air fryer breakdown. Which team are you on? Drop a Cosori or Ninja in the comments below. I read every single one. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss our crispy food experiments, unboxings, and exclusive deals. Links to both air fryers are in the description. Go grab yours now and start living that crispy, healthy life. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.